See, we had last year when season 1 happened, it was the inaugural year. This year we've had a far better opportunity to prepare. We have the best talent coming forward on the auction day today. And with the additional team, our opportunity is only to enhance the fan base, to enhance the opportunity being given to players to perform and to prove themselves. And later on, go ahead and represent the state and at whatever avenues they pursue.
Also, sir, you were there last year as well. What are the things that you observed that can be better? And you've done this, and what are the changes that BCCI is implementing this year in the BPL?
We're reworking our schedules. We're making sure that opportune number of games with opportune number of opportunities given to players. We have enhanced the auction pool. Our domestic level leagues which happen at the club cricket level, we've enhanced the number of players that come in from there. And it's all based on a mathematical calculative formula that the top performers from each division, each category come up into the auction list. On the women's side, we've started a club level league this year, and which in turn in opening year had about 45 clubs participate. We had about 600 plus players who played. And the auction pool in itself has enhanced multifold with the performers being brought in from there for the purposes of the auction. So these are the few nuances that we learnt last year, that we need stronger, solid auction pool of players for the success of the league and the best talent to be available for the franchisees to pick. It is exceptionally important when senior players who are playing for the country come and contribute and give back to their home state. It is not just motivating for the players of the state level, but it is also important that the state association also is getting something back from them in terms of them contributing in the inaugural years and the initial years of the league for making sure that it has a long innings ahead.
So can we say that this year BPL is going to be better, bigger and massive?
I don't know whether it's going to be better, bigger and massive, but you will see great talent, you will see exceptional players playing, and you will see the best cricket possible on the ground in the state of Delhi.
So BPL is going to serve the DCCA, not only the DCCA but IPL as well as the national cricket team for the long run.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.